In this video, we will study about Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina is a medicinal plant. Its common name is Sarpganda. This is also called as the Indian snake root, serpentine wood. This belongs to family Apocynaceae, that is the milkweed family. Rauwolfia is a herbaceous plant, but this is in the form of shrub, perennial. It is evergreen and its height may go up to 1 meter. And this arises from a rootstock which may be yellowish brownish in color. Its leaves are large in size and they are arranged in whorl of three, dark green above and pale green below. Its flowers are white, pinkish or red, occurring in whorls. Fruit is drupe type, purplish black in color. Now we can see its fruit as well as flower. Now these are its flowers which may be pinkish, reddish in color, and these are fruits which are being produced, and these are the mature fruit, drupe, purplish, pinkish in color, and these are its leaves. Now these are roots of Sarpganda, a snake-like. That's why it is called as Indian snake plant. These are also its roots. Its roots are stout, up to 40 centimeter long, branched. It's a taproot system, grayish yellow to brown, often with purplish blotches. This may be brownish from outside. Now, its economically important part is root of the mature plant, and that too in the dry state. Sometimes its leaves are also economically important. Now, if we see the chemical composition, Rauwolfia serpentina contain dozens of alkaloids of the indole alkaloid family, for example, ajmelin, ajmelicin, and rasparin and serpentine. Rasparin and serpentine, they have a great medicinal value. Rauwolfia serpentina is an important herbaceous plant used in many Ayurvedic, folk medicines, as well as pharmaceutical industries. Now, what are its uses or its economic importance? The roots of the Sarpganda are hypnotic, and that is, they can induce the sleep, hypotensive, they reduce your blood pressure, sedative, they reduce irritability and excitability, and they're very important in the treatment of hypertension. When blood pressure increases in the arteries and veins, that is reduced with the help of Sarpganda. So, this will help in dilation of the vessels and arteries by reducing the hypertension. Now, when its decoction is prepared, that is when we boil the roots in water or we extract its decoction, that can be used for the treatment of painful affections of the bowels, and this also increases the uterine contractions when giving birth. When delivery is taking place, there is a smooth expulsion of the child, so that is also with the help of Sarpganda. Even dysentery, diarrhea, and motion pass is also affected by the Sarpganda. The juice of the leaves is used to remove pasties of cornea of the eyes and to treat wounds and itches. So, this is also used for the eye treatments. Its bark and leaves and roots, they are also used against snake poisoning. If any reptile and snake has bitten, then this can be used as an antidote. Alkaloid free oleoresin extract from its root produces sedative. Sedative is which induces sedation, hypnotic, which induces the sleep. Rasparin, which is an important alkaloid and very active alkaloid, this helps in lowering the blood pressure and also helps in controlling the hypertension, that is high blood pressure. That's why it is used in many of the allopathic medicines also. It is also used in the treatment of various central nervous system disorders associated with psychosis if certain psychological problem. Then schizophrenia is This is a disorder where a person's ability to think, feel, and behave is not clear. It is disordered, so it is called as schizophrenia. Now, this also helps in treating the insanity. When a person is mentally ill, madness, then also Sarpganda helps in treatment of insanity, insomnia. When a person is not able to sleep, so Sarpganda can be added to certain herbs, and this can cure insomnia. Epilepsy, again, this is a disease which can be cured with the help of Rasparin. It is also beneficial in treating the anxiety disorders. Sometimes anxiety is there, soothing effect, calmness can be induced with the help of Revolvia serpentina. Sarpganda has also been used to treat various intestinal disorders such as loose motions and motions with blood, that is dysentery, can be treated with the help of Sarpganda. Now, tribal people or local people, they use this as a medicine. Their extracts of the Sarpganda is used to treat colic, cholera, and fever. Colic is when there is digestion problem in the babies and babies cry a lot. There is pain in their intestine and stomach. Then Sarpganda can be used for that treatment. Cholera is when we can say like bacterial disease has occurred and that has caused severe diarrhea and dehydration. So cholera can be cured and fever can also be cured with the help of this medicine. Extracts of this plant is also used in treating conditions such as fever, eye problems, asthmatic attacks, headache, pain related to liver problems. So this has many medicinal values. So it is used in the many Ayurvedic, allopathic, pharmaceutical industries, and even folk people, they use it as medicine. But like any other drug, Revolvia serpentina should be taken under the supervision of the doctor. Its doses should be proper. It should be in a purified form. One should not do its own treatment by taking the Revolvia serpentina. This may be fatal to the health of an organism. And then, especially pregnant and breastfeeding women should not take Revolvia serpentina as such. This may cause certain side effects. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.